Linking your bank to Varo is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account to your Varo account. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once you are logged in, find and tap on the banking or accounts section in the app. This is where you will manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Select Link a bank account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. This typically includes your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the information. You may receive a verification notification or email to finalize the linking process. Now that you have successfully linked your bank to Varo, you can easily transfer funds and manage your finances. If you encounter any issues, consult the Varo help section or customer support for assistance.